Okay guys, welcome back to my new video. I'm so excited to have you back on this series of KDP Amazon book publishing. Like I promised, it's going to be a series, and I'm so excited to be back on today's own. So today we'll be looking at how to set up your publish drive and draft to digital account, and if we are fast enough, you can also look at book link research on Amazon. Okay, before I get into it, for those who don't know me, my name is Anthony, and here on YouTube I teach how to make money online. Basically, I make 90% of my income from online and others from offline, maybe from real estate and some other things I'm into. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, here's my channel, and I want you to just come over here. You see multiple stream of income. Smash this red button to subscribe, and of course, so if you are new for the first time, you're watching my channel for the first time, all I just need to do is to smash this red button to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my subsequent videos, especially on this Amazon book publishing video series. Okay, so if you have done that, let's go back to our table of content. In the last video I showed you how to set up your Amazon book publishing website. On Amazon book publishing website, and how to link your Pioneer accounts to Amazon, and also how to complete your task form. Okay, I showed you all of that, so I expect you to have gone through that video. If you have not, then you may want to go back to my channel and search for that particular video. Okay, search for that particular video and watch it, because I'm not really going to go back over that again. This is the video on how to set up Amazon KDP book publishing. Okay, so just go over that video. You see the step-by-step method on how to go about that. All right, so we're going to look at how to create your publish drive account, draft to digital, and also set up, if possible, look at book list research in this series. Okay, so this 3 sites is where we'll be publishing our ebooks, Kindle book, and the rest. Okay, but basically we'll be using Amazon Kindle for paperback and hardcover. Okay, so now we're going to create an account of publish drive and create an account on draft to digital. We are using these 2 websites alongside Amazon. So any book we'll be writing in the course of this video, we'll be publishing them on these 3 websites. Okay, but mind you, these 2 basically are for Kindle, for ebook. Okay, Amazon is more of both Kindle, paperback, and hardcover. Okay, Kindle, paperback, and hardcover, but publish drive will be more of ebook, also paperback, while draft to digital is more of ebook. Okay, so to do that, just open your publishdrive.com. okay, once you're on publishdrive.com, click on sign up. Okay, I want us to be doing the 2 side by side. All right, so I've already opened draft to digital here.com. so as you click on sign up on, that's already logged me in. I have an account with them before, so let me just, what will I do now? Let me open it in 𝐁𝐸𝐴𝐞 browser. Okay, so I'll be able to create a fresh account, because I want you guys to get everything I'm doing here. So I'm going to open the 𝐁𝐸𝐴𝐞 browser. So we are now in 𝐁𝐸𝐴𝐞 browser. So next thing we want to do now is to hit sign up. So we'll be doing the 2 side by side. Hit on sign up here too, because I want us to cover these 2 series. Okay, so I will not waste time. Let me open my email down, the email we'll be using. Okay, let me open it down. So all you just need to do is to copy and paste. Okay, all right, so let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to copy my email and use it for the two accounts we're about to create. So let me just use this John VK. Come over here. What is this? So you say enter email. Click on sign up. Then come to draft to digital. So this I'm going to enter our first name. Let's say I'm just going to use any name. Use your real name here, okay? But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Steve Frank, okay? That should be our email. That should be our email. So I've entered the information for these two accounts, so you can just do the same. And once you are done, this is it. Enter your email, your password, your first name, or your last name. It's pretty simple. Just click on create account. This one too, scroll down and click on register, okay? Accept. Okay. Overview. Okay. You can see, okay, let's see what this one is saying. The password did not match. Let me correct this. Okay, so I'll be able to bypass that. I just need to enter my password. So here you can see what kind of publishing experience are you looking for. I'm an author, I'm a professional, I want to scale my business, I write books and still need more. Okay, let's click on this one. Click on next. It says select plan. That's one thing about Publish Drive. You have to sign up to one of their plans. You can see the different plans that they have here. They have the starter plan for $8.33 per month, standard, plus, and pro. But for now, we can skip this. Maybe by the time you start making money, you can subscribe to one of those. Okay. So skip tutorial. We don't need this. Alright. So our bookshelf account is ready. Okay. Our book account is just ready. So you can see these are books that they already have on Publish Drive. Alright, so all you want to do next now is to upload your book. I'm going to show you how to upload books to Drive to digital. So any book to Publish Drive, any book we are uploading to Amazon, we're going to upload them to Publish Drive, especially the ebook type or the Kindle type. Okay, so once you've done that, let's get over here. We're going to log into our email here. Let me see, what is it? Okay, so let's log into our Publish Drive and see what the inner page is really all about. Okay guys, so our Drive to digital account is just ready. Okay, everything is set now. So all you just need to do is to start adding an ebook. I told you Drive to digital is actually about ebook and ebook, yeah, basically. So if you are looking for paperback and hardcover, you should be thinking of publishing on Amazon Kindle. Basically, Drive to digital is more of ebook, as you can see here. Publish Drive is about ebook and also paperback, print ready. Okay. Correct. So everything is set now. You can start publishing our book. This account is just ready. All you just need to do is to add your withdrawal and set up your tax information. Okay. So royalty payment, blah blah blah, pretty cost, meeting. Let me see. Jonathan community, about course. Okay. So this account is also ready for book upload. Okay. So we are just set. We are all set. Let me see. Account settings, universal book links. Okay. So let's set up our payment option. Okay, so you're going to enter your full name here. Like I said, use your real name, okay? But for the sake of this video, because I'm going to show you everything, I'm going to use Steve Frank, like just for the sake of this video, okay? Please make sure you use your real name, okay? No need for prank and anything. Use your real name, okay? Then country, Nigeria. Use your real country here. Then address, let's just use this. You can use any of those address. Phone number, click on submit. Okay, say tax information. Let me see. Payment method. Here you can use PayPal, you can use Payoneer, you can use. If you don't know how to create a PayPal account, I have a video on that already. How you can set up your PayPal account with your phone. So I showed you a video on how to create your PayPal account. If you don't know how to create PayPal account, here is the video on how to set up your PayPal account. Okay, watch that video and you see everything how to set up your PayPal account with your phone. And in this video also, I showed you how to link your bank account to your PayPal. This is it, how to link to your PayPal. So just watch that video and you are good to go. Okay, so once you have your PayPal account set up, all you just need to do is to come back to your draft digital and select PayPal here, where you'll be asked to enter your threshold. You can be 50, then your PayPal email, just like that. Okay, then you can also use Payoneer. In my previous video, I showed you how to create a Payoneer account. So watch that video. I already showed that video here. This is it. So watch this video to set up your Amazon KDP book publishing. Once you watch that video, you see how to set up your Payoneer account. So just click on link my Payoneer and to take you to your Payoneer where you can enter your email and password. I will not do that here because I already have my Payoneer linked to my draft digital. Okay, so basically that's how to set it up. But for this, so I can be able to complete our task information, I'll just enter my PayPal so to move us to the next. Once you're able to do that, click on launch interview to complete your task information. So I really don't know what's going on, but basically once you enter your app, I suggest you link your Payoneer. I will not be able to link my Payoneer here because I already linked it to one of my accounts. So once you do that, just click on launch interview and complete the task information. So guys, we've successfully created a publish drive now and our draft to digital. Okay, so the next thing is we want to do some book research like I promised here. I said after that we'll do book link research. Okay, so my next video I'm going to walk you through how to start your book link research. Okay, so make sure that you follow the series of video I'll be dropping. First of all, I will drop a video on how to set up your Amazon KDP book publishing. And here I've also created a video on how to set up your publish drive and drive to digital. So when you start creating books and you start publishing, I'm not going to go through these two again. We'll just go ahead and start publishing our books, okay? So make sure you follow the video as I'm dropping them. So I'll be stopping this video here. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through book link research and anatomy of best selling books and how to create author's name, okay? So I'm going to walk you through these three, and we are done with this first side of the table of content. Then we now start creating books, okay? Start creating books and publishing them, all right? So basically, that's where I'm going to stop this video. Till we meet again. And guys, don't forget to smash the red button below this video and the like button to just encourage me, encourage what I'm doing. And also don't forget to smash the bell button to get notified of my next video, okay? So before then, guys, keep winning, guys.